How to use directory separator in both Linux and Windows in Python. I have written a code in Python which uses to make a particular file in a folder. If I want to use the code in Windows, it will not work. Is there a way by which I can use the code in Windows and Linux? In Python, I am using this code. When I will use my code in suppose Windows machine, my code will not work. How do I use directory separator in both Linux and Windows?
Use os.path.join. Example, os.path.join path file, output, log.txt. In your code that would be roottree.write os.path.join path file, output, log.txt.
Use. To see how separator looks on a current OS, in your code you can use
You can use os.sep.
os.path.norm path name should also be mentioned as it converts path separators into separators on Windows. It also collapses redundant up-level references, i.e., ab and a/foo/dot/b and a/dot/b all become ab. And if you are Windows, these all become a/b.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.